SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2023 introduces new features so you can more accurately design and document your wiring, cabling, and harnessing projects. In this frozen beverage machine, we need to complete the power and switch circuit for a new mixing motor. Then, route everything and generate final PDF reports. A single component like this motor can exist in multiple single-line and multi-line schematics, as well as in 3D models. In 2023, deleting components is enabled, giving you a report of the impact and the option to remove the component from all drawings and 3D associations in one click. Let's make some room for a new motor. Valuable information is stored in this manufacturer part, which can also be valuable in 3D. In 2023, all component properties will propagate to the associated 3D model. Properties like power and speed will definitely be useful on the mechanical drawing. And custom property compatibility now extends to weight, which will override the mass properties in 3D. This gives you more accurate ability to measure weight and balance. You can also create on-the-fly dynamic connection labels, which are based on configurations and provide just the information and number of rows needed. Since some customers hardwire the frozen drink machine, we stopped including the power plug, instead providing a length of pigtail. In 2023, you can define open-ended wires for routes, capturing situations like these where the bare wire is still important to document. The project deliverables include a complete wire list with lengths. This is where Electrical 3D is invaluable. In 2023, new quick filter buttons let you fly through the Electrical Manager tree. One click to expand and see all components. Another to hide or show what's already associated, in this assembly or others. With new component icons, you can instantly differentiate the electrical association and 3D model states. For example, if it's associated to a part or assembly, if it's associated in another assembly, if it's hidden or suppressed. In 2023, you can now associate multiple components in one command. The new Associate interface is redesigned for enhanced usability, which means much fewer clicks to define your components in 3D and start routing. In mini jobs, the project reports become the final deliverable. Tables like wire list and manufacturer bill of material can easily be generated, and now in 2023, they can be copy-pasted and stay associative. In this case, a bill of material can be added to this one-sheet drawing, and manually updating is a task of the past. Electrical 2023 includes support for inserting a wide variety of newer image formats. For example, PNG, JPEG, and TIFF are now supported. This eliminates the need to first convert an image to bitmap. With the project complete, many times you want to print everything to a PDF file. Frequently, reports are a mixture of landscape and portrait sheet orientations, like this one. The new automatic orientation option is a time saver when you want your PDF to be generated as you intended. SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2023 brings you expanded capabilities to manage components and share information between 2D and 3D, along with more flexibility in documenting your schematics. These are just some of the enhancements for you to discover in 2023.